Today we will talk about fractions and how they are related to division. We will do it in a way to help you understand fractions better. And let's do it with a food that everyone likes, such as pineapple. Does that sound good? It sounds good to me. Let's get started. Josh and his 4 friends were given 2 pineapples. If each of the 5 friends decide to split the pineapples equally, then how much pineapple does each friend receive? First of all, since we know that there are fewer pineapples than there are friends, we know that each friend will get less than 1 full pineapple. But how much less? Okay, let's model the situation. We have 2 pineapples. Since there are 5 friends, we need to cut the pineapples into how many parts to divide them equally? That's right, 5. Since there are 5 friends, we partition each pineapple into 5 equal parts, as you can see. What do the yellow shaded parts represent? Well, the yellow parts show how much pineapple each friend receives. That would be 1/5 of each pineapple. We can combine the 1/5 of each pineapple. We still have 5 parts of each pineapple, so the denominator is 5. The numerator is how many parts each friend gets, which is defined by the shaded yellow pieces. Since we have 2 of these, the numerator is 2. So each friend gets 2/5 of the pineapple. 2 divided by 5 equals 2/5. Great job! Hey, where's my pineapple? See you next time!